Hey folks, Shane the Shark Man here. You know what? People ask me why they call me the Shark Man. I'll explain that. But first I'm going to tell you about this incredible Newmar Dutch Star. This is a 3709 model. Absolutely top crust, top of the line stuff. You got to come down and talk to me and I'll let you know what it costs. Like always, when I do, feeding frenzy. I mean, I'm going to tell you this is nice. So let's go ahead and work our way around. First of all, we've got the full body paint, which is fantastic on this stuff. Looks great. Overhead entry awning, electric. We've got your slide rooms here, two of them. Both have the slide toppers right in there so you can deflect any rain, snow, squirrels, anything on the top. Pine needles when you're camping. Tons of storage underneath. I mean, just tons of it. And you see the paint, the things here, this is because it's brand new. We just got the model in. So that'll all be peeled off. Got your emergency escape door here, which is in the back bedroom. Battery bays, of course. Keep your 6-volt batteries nice and dry. Very nice on the rear end here. We've got a backup camera up top. Also a 360 degrees camera all the way around. Moving further in, I can't believe this paint job. It's amazing. We've got another full wall slide with a slide topper. Lots of storage space underneath, and as you know, and I've said it before, storage is gold in an RV. Like I said, this is one of the better models. I mean, Newmar makes all fantastic models, but the Dutch Star is like the creme de la creme. It's the best. All right, so we're going to move inside. Right up the steps. Greeted by a couple of gorgeous leather chairs. Fully functional. They spin around completely. And then you've got your TV overhead in your cab there. Decorative AC covers here. Ducted. Here's where all your AC heat pumps are at. Inside, this is very spacious. I mean, this is literally bigger than my first apartment. You've got your Bose set up, your stereo system here. You got your touchpad for your lights that control everything in the coach, including the accent lights. Easy, and you can access it from the back also. Over here we've got the seating area, the living area, which would be the dining room, and in the living room. This is also a sleeper, plush leather, very good stuff. And right here I'm going to push this button, and if you take a peek over there, that is your televator. Those things are amazing space savers, plus you have a fireplace. Like I said, top of the line stuff. I really like this. Also, you got your Whirlpool microwave convection. Great stuff. You've got a nice true induction on your cooktop. Double sinks. Gooseneck polished. That's really nice there. You've got a table, pulls out. Extra chairs in the back and a leaf. Well, I think the leaf is built into this one. My mistake. Anyway, like I said, gold. You got your cabinets, plenty of storage. I mean, and that's what you need, and especially a lot of people make this a full-time thing, and that's great because this is, like I said, bigger than my first. Heck, it's bigger than my house. Now you got your guest bathroom here. All the amenities. Of course, what you'll need is a half bath, toilet paper roll, of course, and a little sink over there. Very good. All right, and then you got your full Whirlpool refrigerator. Double doors, lots of storage in there, lots of food, because I eat lots, so I'd probably have. And if you get this coach, you got to invite me over so I can eat. Make sure you pack plenty of food. Here's a freezer down here, pull out, double up on that. Very nice. Moving back, of course, we've got your king-size bed in the bedroom here. Undercarriage lights there, control panels and touch pads underneath. Lots of storage space. Again, here's your third induction. Here's your third AC heat pump. Here also you have got your very nice size TV, your wardrobes and drawers. And of course, moving back, we'll go into the rear bathroom, which is basically the master bath. And I got to show you folks something. Aside from how pretty this is, look right over here. Literally, this shower is massive. It's just, I mean, you could almost fit 2 people in there. Got to stay clean. But anyway, so that's what we've got. This is a great model, 3709. If you need anything or you have any questions, there's a number underneath. Also, my personal cell is area code 916 224-2010. Shane the Shark Man, make sure when you call in or text, ask for me, because I got you covered, all right? Like I said, feeding frenzy, guys, feeding frenzy. Come see me, and I'll take care of you. We can have a cup of coffee, or I'll buy you lunch. Thank you.